Okay.
Look at helmet, please.
Helmet.
Thank you. Have you got a helmet? Thank you.
Come.
Oh, this is cool.
Yes.
I love it. Sorry. Thank you.
Mana nih? Tangguh sana.
Yang depannya Lapi Zapa sudah sampai.
Oh. Hello, hey. From here? Yeah. Oh.
Sorry.
Okay. Careful.
Thank you.
Really?
Ready?
Where are you from?
UK.
UK.
Yeah.
Holiday.
Got a really nice bag.
Yes, thank you.
I like it.
Yeah. Good for long trip, very good.
Sorry?
For long trip,
Yeah.
yes,
okay.
very good.
This is our first week, but we're here for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
And it took us like 30 hours to get here.
Okay.
But it was worth it. It's lovely.
Bali very nice.
Very.
The first time you come to Bali?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Yeah.
I've never been there. My first time in Asia.
Yeah. Maybe you go to more. Uluwatu, Ubud,
Yeah, we've been to the last two. Tomorrow we're going to Lavina.
Lauvina.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then we're going to Ubud.
Ubud. And
Yeah.
Lembongan, Nusa Penida. No?
Yeah, we're going there as well.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
going to swim with the turtles. The water is so nice. That's my friend.
Canggu very good for party.
Yeah.
If you like party, it's very good.
I was very hungover yesterday. It's
Wow.
very good for party.
Yes. Canggu Seminyak.
Yeah.
Seminyak more the place. You can go to Lava Vela,
Yeah.
Sisi, Mexicola, the big nightclub.
Yeah. We're going to the breeze tonight.
Oh, La Brisa. La Brisa is good.
Is it?
Yeah, the big restaurant. Big
Yeah.
this club.
Hopefully see a nice sunset.
Yeah, sunset very good. You can go to Potato Head, Fins.
I've never been there.
Yeah, Potato Head, good.
Is it?
Yes.
Give that a look.
And Fins, you go?
Yeah, we've been to Finn.
Fins, more here.
A very pretty sunset as well. And the food is really nice. Everywhere I've been, I
Yeah.
haven't had a bad meal. Do you live in Canggu?
No, look it in Kerobokan.
Oh, so
Yeah.
not too far.
No, not far. Only 10 minutes from here. Yeah. I'm working in CPNM. I'm working in CPNM restaurant. If you breakfast, the restaurant for sell the bakery. In Prerenan, Umalas, Ubud,
Oh, yeah.
CPNM.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I
The-
love your vibe.
Yes.
Cool, it's fancy.
Yeah. Today, La Brisa, Sunday Market.
Yeah, we're going
Yes,
to the market now.
full
Yeah.
Sunday Market, La Brisa.
I'm so happy when you're on a Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah, free entry.
Oh,
Today,
is it?
yes, today
Oh,
in La
okay.
Brisa.
That's why I like it here.
Yes. If you like Bali, very good. You make
Oh.
business here.
Big business here.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
UK is small money.
Yeah.
Bali maybe.
Exactly.
Yeah, you make business. You rent the land. You make villa here.
Yeah. I would love to.
Yeah, you can rent again.
Yeah.
You rent again for friends. Very good business in
Yeah.
Bali.
I would live here if I could.
Yeah, you live here?
I would love to.
Yeah, because Bali nice, beautiful land.
Oh, the UK is so cold.
Yeah,
It's raining all the time.
Indonesia hot, but not very hot. Yeah, 39. Yes.
We're all living together.
More tourists come to Bali make business.
Yeah.
Yeah, for living long time, it's very good.
Yeah. I would love to.
Yeah, make villa,
Yeah.
can living more free.
Much better way of life.
Yeah,
And the food.
yes.
Food is so nice here. I'm gonna miss it when I go home.
Public. $1 UK, you can go everywhere. $1 US. Because you go there, only $1.
Yeah.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you been riding a bike? A motorbike?
Yes?
How long have you been like riding a motorbike? Long time.
No. Only 5 months. Yeah. Today La Brisa is full.
Is it?
Yes, because Sunday market free entry.
Oh,
More tourists come to La Brisa.
oh, good.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
Only drop here. No pickup for
Oh, yeah,
yes.
that's fine.
Yeah. Only drop, no pickup. If you order Grab, you can go away.
How long?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah. Bebas ngebut.
I'll walk along here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right. It's full.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Thank you so much. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Oh no, bentar Pak.
Thank you.
Here you go. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Mau ngedropin malah nggak bisa. Iya, nggak enak jadinya. Macet lagi. Tamunya turun di tengah jalan lagi.
Macet lagi.